Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Victoria. I'm so glad that you are here. Today's video is going to be a compilation of two different types of videos into one. I filmed a grocery haul and also wanted to share this little unboxing with you, and I filmed the two separately, but I am going to be posting a video on Monday, and I just thought that I would throw these two kind of videos together into one just to kind of like share something with you guys. I feel like I haven't posted, it's been like a week, but I just feel like it's been forever and I feel really bad about it, and I just like want to post a video so bad because I like miss posting, I miss editing. So I'm sitting down right here in my dining room. I'm like getting ready to edit this video that you're about to watch, and yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say hi, and I miss you guys, and I'm sorry that I've been kind of random with my uploads. I feel like I've been saying that a lot, but I really am sorry about it. You guys know I've just been busy, and I'm just trying to like find out how to balance YouTube and work now. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's going to be a grocery haul and an unboxing video. PINCHme did send me this box that I'm about to show you, but I'm not getting paid to share it. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I just thought I would share it with you guys. It's just like a box you can sign up for, and you will get them randomly. It's almost like an influencer box. It's kind of like you sign up and they'll send you free samples, and then you review them, and then they'll send you more. I did get an influencer box, which I explained in the video, so I get a few more things than you would regularly get, but I thought that this is a really cool idea, and I know I've shared one of these before and I really like them, and I have been loving all the products in my box. So I hope you guys enjoy that and my grocery haul. I will list my meal plan down below in the description box if you guys are curious about that. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey guys, I am interrupting regularly scheduled programming to show you my PINCHme box that I got sent, and I'm super excited to show you. So basically what PINCHme is like a free samples box, and you're not guaranteed to get something like every single month. It kind of reminds you of like Influencer, and I think it's really cool. They sent me an influencer box, so my box has a little bit more stuff than normal, but I thought this was really cool. You guys have seen me show my PINCHme box once before in a previous video, and I just wanted to share with you what I got. I also will be leaving a link down below if you want to sign up for PINCHme. It's completely free. There's no sign up or putting your card info or anything like that. Basically you just sign up and you give reviews for the little samples that they send you from like name brand stuff, and it's from like cleaning to beauty to food, snacky things like that. It's really cool. So I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested. This is not sponsored, but they did send this to me, but it's free for everybody, so I just wanted to share with you what I got. So I did take a little sneak peek inside, and I'm really excited about this box. So how cute is this? This like reminds me of like the 80s or something, but this is what is inside. So they gave me these little like cookie things, like French cookie little treats, and these ones have dairy, but the dark chocolate ones did not, and I already ate them, so I ate those. And then oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about this. I'm always looking to try like new beauty stuff, and this is a facial oil from, I'm not even going to attempt to say this brand, but it's cruelty free, and I believe it says it's like organic on the details I read, but it's basically just like a little facial oil, so I'm excited to try that. And it's a 1 fluid ounce, so it's like a full size, I would think. I don't know, it's a pretty big size. I got a bunch of these Eva NYC products. This is a Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. It's like a hair primer, and so you like spray this on your hair when it's damp, and it like helps detangles and stuff. I got these like eye drops, which are pretty cool to have on hand, and then this is like a little serum, I think. It's from Dennis Gross, and it's a pore perfecting serum, which is a really neat. Never tried like a pore perfecting serum before. This is a activated charcoal, like a charcoal facial bar, like a soap bar. So that's really cool. I want to try that. And then this is a little travel size dry shampoo from Eva NYC. That would be really good for traveling. And this is the other thing from Eva NYC. It's like a toner foam, but it's like a leave-in toner for like people with blonde hair, which I think is really cool because it just gets out the brassiness. I've never tried anything like that. I've tried purple shampoo, but nothing like that. And what else is in here? Oh, there's like a sample of these Clorox wipes. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, when I went to Atlanta, these were a lifesaver for me. They sent me these in my last one. These are these Compeed blister like patches. And when I went to the Billie Eilish concert in Atlanta, this literally saved my life because I had the biggest blisters on the back of my heels. And it's basically like a skin colored like patch that's like jelly, and it goes over it. And it really, really helps. And then what else? I think this is the last thing. This is like little probiotic pills. They're called Love Bug. Here's the Skinny 10-day challenge, and it comes with 10 little tablets in here. It's like a probiotic. I don't really know a whole lot about it, but I'm gonna look it up. But that was pretty cool. So thank you, PINCHme, for sending me all this neat little stuff. I can't wait to try everything out. I'll keep you guys updated. And like I said, I will leave my link down below for signing up for PINCHme. So I am going to start off over here with the stuff I got at Sam's Club, and this is a big package of the boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. This was just over $10, and you get like 4 pounds in here, which is a really good deal. I'm gonna freeze. I like that you can like separate the packages, so I'm gonna freeze like 2 or 3 of these and then keep the other ones in the refrigerator. And then this right here is the Jimmy Dean fully cooked turkey sausage patties. For 24 of them, it's like $6, and I think it's a really good deal. And Devin really loves to eat these for breakfast. I haven't really been eating them lately, but he definitely loves these, and you just keep them in the refrigerator. You don't have to freeze them. You can freeze them, I think, but we just keep them in the refrigerator. And then back here, I got this last time when I went to Sam's, but we went through it pretty quickly between Devin and I. He eats most of it, but it's this Tyson grilled chicken breast strips, and for this big bag, it has like 16 servings. It's only $10 at Sam's, which is a way better deal than what we usually pay at Walmart. So I got another one of those. And then Devin needed shaving cream, and I feel like this isn't something we really need to buy like at Sam's Club because it's just him. Like, it's not like a bunch of us using it. I don't use shaving cream, I just use body wash. So this is just for him, but for 3 containers of this, it was like, I wanna say like maybe it was like $7, I think, around that. But you get like 3 of them, and Devin goes through shaving cream kind of fast, so I thought that this would be worth it to have. So these are like the ultra sensitive ones, and that's what he gets anyway. So he hasn't tried this brand though, like this exact kind. So I decided to get him that, and then I got this when I had to stop at the pet store to get Sherman's dog food. So I just thought I would share it. These are these everlasting treats. These are like the refills, but it's like a bento ball. I've showed it before in like videos. It's like a red ball, and it's kind of expensive for the large one. It was like $25, but it came with the ball and then 2 refills. So these little refills are only like $5, and they are really messy. So I recommend, like, if your dog like has a spot that you have them go when they eat treats or something. I usually just cover the couch with a blanket and tell him to stay on the floor, but he usually ends up on the couch anyway. So I just cover the couch, but it just like kind of smears everywhere. But anyways, these keep him super busy. I usually put it in the bento ball and then freeze it, so it's kind of like takes him longer to get through it. But I really liked those, and I also got dog food. But yeah, I just thought I would share that because I really like those for Sherman. And then at Sam's, you guys, a couple weeks ago, whenever I got my membership like a month ago, I remember I showed you guys this sweatshirt that I got from Sam's, and it's so cute. It like looks like this on the bottom. It is like so soft. I got like a purple color. It was like $12 or $13 when I bought it, but when I went today, they were on clearance for like $9.99 or something, $9.98. And it's this brand. What is this brand? It's like green tea, mineral wash top. But they were on sale for like $9.98, so I was like, I have to get another one. And I got a size medium. I kind of sized up because I liked it to be like a little bit baggier. But oh my gosh, so soft, so comfy. So I had to get another one. They only had like gray and like a burnt red color, but they had my size in the gray, which is the one I wanted in the first place, so I got it. And then I also got, this is the last thing I got from Sam's. It's this Seeds of Change organic quinoa and brown rice, like microwavable pouches of like rice. I usually buy the Uncle Ben's ones from Walmart, but this was like 6 pouches for like $6, which is, or wait, no, I think it was $10. But anyways, it was like pretty much on par with what I pay for the Uncle Ben's ones, and these are organic, so I thought I would get those, and then I don't have to buy them for a while. And it comes with like 2 servings in each bag. So this is the first thing I got from Walmart. The rest is going to be from Walmart, but I got these Muscle Milk protein shakes. I have a few left from when I got them at Sam's the first time I went, and so I decided to save a little bit of money. I just got these because the 4-pack is only like $5 at Walmart, and I didn't need like the whole big 12-pack yet. So I got this. This is the chocolate. These are non-dairy, and I drink these a lot now with going to work. I usually drink them like as a snack at work or like on my way home from work before I go work out or something. And then Devin needed shampoo. He really loves Head and Shoulders, and I kind of go back and forth between like which kind of like kinds I get for him. So I got this Tea Tree 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for him. He needed that. And then this is like my produce stuff. So I got 2 sweet potatoes. I got 3 Gala apples. The Gala apples seem to always be like the cheapest at our Walmart except for like the Red Delicious and the Granny Smith, but I do not like those. I hate those. Those just like give me memories of like when I was in elementary school and you like had to take an apple, and I just never liked those kinds of apples, so I really like these. And I'll cut this up and I will only eat like half at a time, so they last me like the whole week because I only eat like half an apple at a time. So I got those. And for my sweet potato, I will obviously, I showed you my meal plan earlier, but I'm gonna make a sweet potato and ground turkey skillet, so that's what that's for. And then I also got this organic zucchini. I hate that it was packaged, but the regular zucchini, like the non-organic kind, just looked, none of them looked good, and these are the only ones that looked good, and it was like the same price to get the organic, and I needed to anyway, because I'm gonna be making like a garlic zucchini pasta. So I got that, and then I got some organic baby carrots. I also needed more quick oats because I've been making a ton of oatmeal lately with just like plain oats with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and some fruit, and I swear it's so good. It's more calories than like the microwavable like maple and brown sugar oatmeal packets, but it's way more filling, and I just feel like it's a little bit better. Like it doesn't have all like the artificial flavors in it that like the maple and brown sugar and like apples and cinnamon and stuff does, and you can like flavor it yourself. So that's what I've been eating for breakfast. It's been keeping me really full, especially when I have like super busy mornings at work. I don't have time to like eat a snack in between breakfast and lunch. So I've been using just like the quick oats. So I needed more, and I got, and this will last me a long time. This was like $3.30 or something like that. This will last me a long time. And then, oh, I also use this for like baking and stuff, so that will be worth it for sure. I got some organic bananas. I know this sounds silly, but I swear the organic bananas taste way better than the regular ones from Walmart, and so I am going to continue to buy those. They're only like 10 cents more a pound, and so I really don't feel like it's that big of a deal. And then over here, we only have like 1 bag of steamable veggies in the freezer, so you guys know I like to stock up on that just because it's easy, and I just like frozen veggies the best. So I got some corn, peas and carrots, California style vegetable. It's got broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, and then I got a broccoli and cauliflower one. Broccoli florets are my favorite to have on hand, but they did not have any broccoli florets, so I just like decided to mix it up and get a bunch of different kinds. And then Devin loves to have cottage cheese with blueberries as a snack at work, so I always get cottage cheese for him. I also got some of these grape tomatoes. I like to cut these up and put some sea salt on them as like a snack, or like in my salads, or I also roasted some on like a sheet pan dinner recipe that I had last week, and I thought that was really good too. So I just like those, and they're like easy to just like kind of eat instead of like chopping up a whole tomato. I also got this Wishbone avocado oil roasted garlic citrus dressing. One of our friends made dinner for us like a while back, and they had this dressing with salad, and I thought it was so good, and so I remembered this time at the store to buy it, so I got this. It's just kind of like a switch up from the normal dressings that I use. And then I got some mini sweet peppers. They were like the same, they were like just a little bit more than if I were to get like 2 big bell peppers, and I swear you get like way more out of these mini peppers, so I just decided to get that. And then Devin needed some more tuna. I did get the big like box of the 10 packs of tuna from Sam's, which was like $10, and they're like $1 anyway at Walmart, so it's really the same price. It's just like if you don't want to go get it as often, you can get it at Sam's. But he has like 5 left, and so I decided to just pick up a couple more, so I got 2 of these pink salmon in water packets. And then the last couple of things I got some strawberries. The organic strawberries were really expensive this week, so I just decided to get these. And then I also got this salad kit. I love salad kits, and this is a sunflower bacon crunch, and I'm really excited to have this. I'm gonna make again this week. I made it last week too. It's like the shredded coconut chicken tenderloins in the air fryer, and I'm gonna have this salad on the side, and it has a couple servings in there so I can take it for work too. I also got Devin some of his Nutri-Grain blueberry waffles. He's actually trying to get away from these, so what I've been doing is getting the Kodiak cake mix. And you guys, the Kodiak cake frozen waffles that are like already made are really expensive, and so I did like the serving sizes with how much is in a box, and it's a little bit more cost effective to just to get the box and then like make them yourself and freeze them. So that's kind of what we've been doing. He'll make them on his nights off, and I'll try to like prep some for him and then put them in the freezer so he can just toast them. So that he likes the dark chocolate, and unfortunately these have milk in them, or else I would eat Kodiak cakes a lot because they're like super high in protein, and it's like not that unhealthy for you as far as like pancake mix goes or whatever. But it has dairy in it, so that kind of sucks. So I get that for him. Actually, this is just like random, but if you are dairy free like me, the Bisquick pancake mix is, I guess it's like baking mix technically, but it's dairy free. So as long as you use like almond milk with it, it's fine. That's what I have right now. And then the last thing I got were these chocolate peanut butter pie Oreos. Not all of the Oreo flavors are dairy free, but this one is, so I'm super excited about it. I just decided to switch it up. I like to have these as like a little snack. I'll eat like 2 because that's like a serving size, like, you know, whatever. Sometimes I'll sit down and eat like a whole row, you know, it just depends. But I got these chocolate peanut butter pie ones and I thought they sounded really good. And it's like the cookie is like a graham cracker flavor, so I'm super excited to try those. I've never had those before, so let me know what your favorite flavor of Oreos are down below. I want to find the maple cream ones. I haven't seen those yet, but I want to try those for the fall. But yeah, this is everything I got today at the grocery store from Sam's and Walmart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Like I said, I will be posting a new video Monday, so be on the lookout for that. It's a collab with my girl Tamala here on YouTube, so I'm really excited about it. And yeah, I hope you will subscribe. I post new videos every week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!